Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change units in Tinkercad. So if you go to the work plane, as you can see on the corner, it writes millimeters. So it says the units that you're using right now. So basically to change those units, what you'll need to do is go to the settings right here, click on the settings, and you'll see the units right here. You'll be able to change from the metric, imperial to bricks. So change to imperial if you need to. Now you can select the scale for the inches, so 1 by 1, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, so now it's feet, and 1 by 1000. So what I recommend using is 1 by 1. And now what we'll need to do is close the settings, and that changes to inches as you can see on your work plane. So, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.